Dak jing treshi tomet wamsim Dr. Bayar Bonongbri badong Chairman jong organizing committee kumjuru Ronald Khongan ibre sekretari jong organizing committee ringkat i principal jong ka school bat kino hikai baro ala an penolong ya ka jing rakhe penamburam dap san pusnem ka sein pita anpol secondary school mau kisi kata hakasan terik uno pra hajar arpusan bat kom bercupai dien bat penken mau kendiat bayakan ika sekolah seng haus nem sejak kendai spa nyusan bat Ifadar John Khongla bangkwai haduar blay lalong uparis pris jong kesora paris ipe ikmi ya kan ka skol hakata kapor bat hakini ki sanpu tuli ki snem ka jial enti kum ka skol kamlong ka basuk kia kendu shibun ki jing ki jiale khamtam kum ka skol managing committee rengkat bat ni kai baro hanai kini ki jiale kilong penban kum umau jam banjob bat ban poi sya ka thong umau mer basan pu snem namar yu iru babun ki khana skol ki bapule hakani ka skol ki lalong briu ki laman briu ki lami ki doktor ki nurses ki engineer ki profesor ki plidar bat ki batrai kam business bat ki bai ki blawara burom ya kani ka school kat barang telun ki snam ki kena ki nang bun ki bawan pulih ha kani ka school bat hadu menta ki don aspa sanpho ngot ki kena bat khat nyu ngot ki nong hikai bat kat barang telun ki singi ki snam ki kena ki lawan chakmat ha ka jing pulih ha ka exam ki jongki bat ki kena ki la job ru ya ki competition ba pair ki bakentup ya ka march pass bla pelong da ka office sora civil subdivision ki kena school ki don kasap ka bakerpang ha ka ban ruai ban syat bat ban drojing draw bat kiwei
present here on this momentous occasion of the celebration of our golden
Hakani kasni rakhe penamburam kerpang ya umame basan pusnam u deputy chief minister kasoka jela ba presiden tensong lalong kum kongsan manpoi hakani ke jaka rengkat ke jinon lang usumbut kongsan ba lakamen remboi menteri ka pule puthi ba laidon lang ru ba balajit ku pasendram MLA ka Shela constituency ba kibin MLA ka sora constituency ba Tita Starwal Khan MDC ka sora constituency SDO ka sora civil subdivision ki officer sorkar rengkat urang ba snong ke snong mok siem ba Michael Dunai rengkat ka isi jong ka snong laidon lang ru kum kejing aimen siem bat pencingan ya kan di school da Reverend Father Henry Warba ibadai i Astan Paris Pris jong ka sora Paris rengkat i Sista Semita Provincial i Dr. Elijah Sawian ibadai sekretari ka PPC i Balong Haju Kupor u vice principal jong ka St. John Bosco Boys Higher Secondary School sora Uhat ketika Sobstik Moksim Babudan Bor El Nonglai Kirang Bak Balang Sister Renat SD Principal ke Saint Peter and Paul Secondary School Moksim Rengkat ki nohikai ki kimi ki pa ki kena school bat kumjuru ki kena school bat kiwi ki belasya khot sobah kan ni kesni bat layo ya ki jingkren pediang ya baro ki belawan bensim mentah kan ni ki jing rakhe jing dap san pusnam ke school Saint Peter and Paul Secondary School Moksim da sekretari organizing committee ba Ronald Khongan harengkat ke history lingkot ke jingat enti jong ke school bat ki kamba kraw ki ba ke school ke bat penmi ya kiso ki batyang lembah ki kena pulih kan di ka school da Sister Principal Sister Renat SD rengkat ki jingkren na i Reverend Father Henry Warba i belong Assistant Parish Priest jong ka sora parish ilayo ya ki jingkren na kinongkren baper ki bakentup na UMDC ka sora constituency ba Tito Starwal Khan kumjuru na UMLA ka sora constituency ba kibin Emliam barengkat na MLA Kashela Constituency ba Balajit Kupa Sendram ba rengkat na Sista Semita Provincial hakani kasni layo ban ai subha daki momentus ya kinongwan hakani ka program kum kadak ka jingsa jingken mau bat kumjuru layo ban pelaj baik ba ya ka souvenir jong ka Saint Peter and Paul Secondary School mau kisiem da sumbut menteri rang ba kejela ba presiden tensong ba layo ru bat ot ya uke kum kadak ka jing rakhe jingdap san posnam ka Saint Peter and Paul Secondary School mau kisiem Kalalong sisya kasngi ka ba ipu iping bat kasngi ka ba sa jingkan mau na ka banta ka jingdap san pusnam ka school Saint Peter and Paul mau kisim lingba ka jingdon ki jingroi ki jingsha na ki kena school jong kani ka school
Let's give a round of applause for the beautiful dance by our students.
50 years ago,
our beloved founders planted a small seed, a seed of hope, learning, and nurturing a brighter future. What started as a small and humble institution has grown into a strong and vibrant family that has shaped thousands of young minds in this region. This Golden Jubilee is not just a milestone, but also a reminder of 5 decades of struggles, of stories, and of the determined spirit that carried the school forward year after year. This celebration is the story of teachers who nurtured 5 generations of young minds with care, of students who filled these halls and grounds with laughter and curiosities, and of presence, and of parents who place their trust in us. As we celebrate this Golden Jubilee, let us pause and remember every person who contributes to this helpful journey.
Journey. Looking back, we acknowledge the excellence achieved by our students, particularly in recent years, by consistently maintaining a 100% pass rate in the examination. Our students have not only excelled in academically, but have also secured top positions, first and second, in state level and the district level in various competitions, especially the science exhibitions and the debates, and also in the inter-school events here. And we could enable the NCC and the Scout and Guide into our school. Our students are with all the possible scholarships. Every great achievement rests on the shoulders of dedicated individuals. I wish greatly to acknowledge our congregation, the Sisters of the Destitute, who took over the management in 2017, as particularly as our General and Councillor, our Provincial Mother Smith and Councillors, for their support in guiding us through struggle towards success.
We can do this together. I bet you feel better when you do this. Yeah, yeah. When you finally let go, you say that's so long. 'Cause you listen to the music, say oh, hey, oh. 'Cause you're confident, babe, and you're making it right. They knew that you could do it, say oh, hey. When I look down, 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 I believe what I found. When I look in God's word and I search for Him, He rewards me, 'cause He loves me. God made me, He made everything. God loves me, He can do anything. If I run over here, if I run over there, God is everywhere, and He loves me. When I look up, 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 I know He's real. When I look down, 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 I believe.
This is to announce to the people the year of joy, the year of success, and here also in our midst, as we remember these
50 golden years of this school. It is a great joy for us to celebrate together and to thank God for the graces that God has given to this school, to the past teachers, past pupils, and past leaders of the school until this present time. And we keep thanking God that we have reached to this part. But if you want to plan for eternity, you have to plant the mind of the children, build up in the children, educate the children, and this we will find that society, the world will live forever in peace and harmony. It is therefore a very great challenge for you, the teachers, for the principal, and for all of us, the elders, to think what we are going to be in the future. Only by molding and by guiding, by helping, by educating the children, we will really find, yes, there is a peace and harmony, there is joy, and we feel satisfied when we live, when we really teach, when we educate the children of today.
Ngadap dekat singkemen bakum u naumi khmat trong kani kathan ngalayo ya kaban ya associate bat kani ka school lapalat lajandap arposnam banglajuan bangajurung ha kani ka school ka jong hi ham sompoi perkat bangan yo ya kani ka lat ya kabannya kemenlang bati hakum kani kasni ke bakarpang jong ke jindap santusnam ngamlaru klam dakan mau burom ya uliat Father Peter Skiabon ubolong headmaster jonga kapor bangadang late school ang Sinjon badai mo ule si ubala UI jengai banwan seng ni kani ka school hang ni apo mau kisiir Agi tu kipor, lesi kumki pat bat nong song sinong jangan nikat hai, impoi perkat, bagan nikat school kan kio hadu kat ni. Ngai lang baga jing Kristom jong ki father, ki sister, balala berkentiu kan nikat school kum ni kum bakalong. Bat mentah kalau ada gawai ni ki school ki bapau, hagan nikat hai kejungi. Najuya keren by sister nakapor sa kapor ba kaladai ru habang i-celebrate ya gani kajindap santusnam kadai bandon ru kanun kathong nakaliang jong ka managing committee kai ka bangin celebrate ya usnam ala ajing wat i sister bala kumno badai ban kentiu no ya gani ka school naka secondary sa higher secondary kalau ada kapor ya kaba kindan di kelas 11 12 tenganget paling bagan ika jingdon jong gini ki nong yalam kijungi kan aimen siam bat banla ban pli galat kerti kenang banang kentiu syu ya ka puli ke putih hagan ika thang kijungi
jangi barok ngiyeng hangni kremdala banya chakmat kremda pen pau shoi ka jinga songo ka hakmadu ublay dan ringkat berpi hakin gi sanpo teli gisnem ka jinga indi ka jongpi hoi sadun pen pau ru ka so buram ka besika dei ya ki nong seng ya ka jingyo i jingai ka jongki hoi ya ki principal ki noi kai di khot jo school managing committee ki barim bat ki pemerintah ki bradei banyai lingba ki jing ki ding pin kyang ki babun badai lingba ka jing 3 minute ka jongki bajong pi ki balong menta ka bala penti kana bakani ka school kanong kumni kumakalong menta kaso komen shika dei banyos ngau ya ka jing kran henne na ka liang jong sister vinet ki balong principal baling ba kani ka shlem puli lala ban penmi ki babun ki khana puli ki balong brio man brio hagni ka por bomenta bama phi pladon shisha ka ta ka benda ka bakra ban penwandor ya ka lawai ka jongki ladong long shisha kita ki nong song snong ki badon ya ka jingket khli baga ju opor banos nyang na ka benta ka imlang ka salang banaga liang ka jongi ngi sokmen shika dei banagaliang ke jong pi kum ke school kat chakani kerta pila kenjo bang iket bokit yang bopenang yai jang syaki mau mer ke bakham sujrong shushu kum ke sarkar jalla ngimla banlen ke jing shisha jaga education sector ngibu yaga ke sector ke bahak madu kalong kawai na pedeng ki cool sector bangi sautu bangi pet ya ke budget jong ni usnam pemerintah kumalai jan ros paklur tam lebih pisah nak sarkar jella na meta ke education sector kuma khatsan persen nak budget jong news nem pemerintah ni sautu baka jing temu ke bahak madu kalau mengi prioritize ke education sector baka long ke bahak madu bangimla balen ni jing shisha bangi be pisah ke education sector kamne ke sector lesi ke banwan ra ke ta jing yo nong ke bamarmar mereka jing be pisah ke sector kan penti kena banagaliang ke jongi ngi angnut ya kata ka lawai ke bapnai nam takini ki khon ki kiti ki jongi ki khon samla ki balong ki lawai ke bapnai naga benta kane ke jela ke bi ke jongi kat kane ke jingbai pisang yamla balen ke jing shisha ki jing sokoldar ki babun ka bai dei perke education sector reani ke por pemerintah ngai aware ya pi ki de khot jang managing committee ki noi kai bapilong ki bayai sha ngi try ringkat lang berka sarkar hari ni ka jing temu ban streamline ke education sector berkum mangaju ong na kawai ka por sa kawai pat learning yang nut de shisha ban yo eta ka jing nang ji start ban yang nut de shisha ban kentiu ya ka jela kham chu jrong shushu dan santali ki paya ba kita ki paya kilong ka baning kong kalong ka jing yo i jingai berka jing shna ki policy trekam daga sarkar baki nong mikmat kajing pentrai kam yakini ki policy dagi officer sarkar kajing IT met badmen sim kajing trai hok jong ki noi kai kajing semkhia jong ki kime ki kpa bakham tam kajing minot jong ki khina puli kini digi santali ki paya ki ban penti kana balingba kajing trai lang nginang la ban kentiu ya kani kerjela ke jongi kham sejong
abang iwan hangne ki rakhe ya kani jidap san husnam kala pelong yang aban perkhat ba kejing telun jong hi ban penyaj ke skol kala kot hadu kani ke por ba playo ban rakhe kani ka pedi ke kadap jong jing trishtom jong ki nong penyaj memenshwa bat hadu menta kapani ro ye dedication jong ki nohi kai bagi labat ai kajidang di start iki digi happy barit bat kum juru kajing shanya nagi kmegi kba hakabaki pha iki khon hakan di skol menagli usngo nakajing kran jongi principal pabon ki samla bapas nakajing skol kilalong kita ki upaya jong ka shong thao wat kan ni rung haban ai jing yaro baka jing shanya jong ki me ki pa wan pha khon jong phi ha kan ka school namar kram nan jing mot kan dan ka school kan dam chispas nem aspas nem lada kimdan ki khana ki bawan wat habang iya ikran ya kan ya kam education kumla umanay ba given nakalian jong sarkar labo ka priority hakmat habaday ya kan ya kam puli puti bangingin skamro baka dia kam ka baka sarkar ka perkhat kamut kan long no menta kadang kapor kan sim kapor ba kinigi kam ka ba nakalian ka sarkar ka perkhat bakin urlong kumjo habang iperkhat menswa perwasanya ni sekolah san posna kimpoy perkhat ba haru kan ni por ila pa ni rakhe tisho lagi pet di jeneng kam hagajing telun jo por kimi be man gaski art posna menswa life posna menswa hagi sekolah kampadan taka jingmot ajing temu bandan taki multimedia classrooms bandan ki computers mereka jingihan joko por kadawa mahabbo kita tisusho akan digajuk kemamta itep bagi di schools badan akan diatahan gejungi makamtam kan di school kiran bon kijinan kam hendrai kayak bukan syuang nak kalian kejonga Yesha, berkenu kam ke pipi temu, kan seorang ni, tabu ke jingshanya, yang ni, ya kaya ke bawah ni lah, pentelun.
Sahalingo, ay katingin konyo, yung lesiday kasihan kandu. On gamen sim on snow sanu nakin ma o snow thamulan dang ba day jing shisha si maning kong don wat kapan day hang waiting
double celebrate double jubilee juga school baka jubilee jong i provincial jongi sister sweetheart
for humanity. Their one courageous step in 1975 has tremendous impact on the people of this area. It is the education that brings about development change in human thinking, attitudes, and values. It is an honor to stand here today as we celebrate the 50 glorious years of enlightenment, excellence, and service. 50 years, a golden milestone, is not just a number. It is a testament to the vision of the founders, the dedication of the faculty, the perseverance of the students, and the unwavering support of the community.
Ngamjo kamkwa banlay siya ki function jong ki school ki bamday ki school sarkar namarba ladangan lay ngas ngothu bakadam bay ki jiron kam jong ki kiba ngas ngodap ram namarba kibun hiba nganamla banle hre habang angkumta kamot ba ka ka ba kipan ngimla kabiram kam tolong ba ka polisi jong ka sarkar Hakin neki news nem shite.
Hak wedai pat bat kejingkran nak kaliang menteri kapule putih bak lah kemen rumboi ula ong bak soka kadon kathong nak kebenta ban kentiu ki kena hak kejing nang kejing sta baju syu menteri kapule putih ula ken benyau namar hadu menta kidon ki skul ki sarkar ki badon tang ki kena skul ndon no hikai pat don pat ki skul ki babun ki no hikai ndon ki kena skul kani kala hadu kata ya ke sarkar bat syu ula ong
Badang hakin neki snem. Ki arjar khakndai ka aja arpheu jar puwe du menta. Baro ngiatip. Namar ba ngi le ki nong kedong ni song tho baladau breu. Unang bah bang kren pereng. Obek bah tin ka kren pereng tau di bastat. Bad ngiru itip. Bada ka jingbun yang ki sekolah pok makhalia. Palat khasau jar ligi school ki don. Tang ke hadu elementary education. Ngis kau tu bakal labia. Bat baro. Ni tip bang is long kumta. Henry kayak he. Andalami karipot joko sarkar India. Baka makhliya ron syatra itu. Hak kerdang hak puleg putih. Baro kibriu. Kiong kasakara yukum kene. Kapule ke putih hatra itu. Henry kema. Habangi deal ye kanung nakam ngide ban long transparent. Ngim kwa ban buri ban tap ik miao. Ngi kwa ba baro upai ba unsyai. Bale. Habangi don katsau hajar teligi school. Ngidon hadun riu pa hajar tu na kinong hikai. Bale ngidang sadin. Kasarkar kumbaong ba Kevin mene katsan persen blog education balai. Sheja kita ke school. Sheja kita kena kai dang don ke school kita dan zero nong hikai. Dang don ke school pat kita dan zero ki kena school. Ki don bagi kena ke school. Ki bagi kena school kita pun don nong hikai. Shei disparity is there. Kadon kajing te siang hangnor. Dan tak kadau. Hak ini kinyau snem steng ka education department ka sarkar makhaliang ipakat ka ka bang ide banle ngaku pun education minister nga sekolah raj man pe school sarkar katnum rumdon kilong kum kisem belang kisem sne ngitip bangim la banle sisinle hanrai ngila sedang ban penbahaya king school Shwa Bakanwan KMDA ngitip ba ban yagi kam hikai temporary official don bakli kiba official hadu bakut karta klembut ya kiba deban but handrengi shim ya karai. Bakat that is a reality. Ngihaban kondok. Bat ngi kondok. Bat kibalathum kibalon katu kamot kila sken. Namar kata ngisku thu menta ondala rai ke Supreme Court. Haka shtariku September. Ba pleng ngilai pusan hajar tam naduna kinong hikai Kim Don Yakatet Syai kata ka security ka stability ngidon dan tak ada kum ka sarkar teng ngingipe kum gibriu ngi judge ya ka sarkar tangba ladalaban ay ngimtip baka ka policy Araja ka kendai ngilapan mi ya ka state education policy. Bat ka arja arpeo kalawan ka national education policy. Ngilapar siyang pan-improve. Pipek baro ki government college menta. Baro kilayo ya kita ki jakahikai kum kajok menta. Baro ki secondary school, ki government secondary school, bat ki government secondary school. Menta kila longkum kitu kijaka kiba deisha kijaka hikai bat ngilayo Bang kentiu kordang ya baru ki government secondary school, syaki higher secondary school. Dan tak tahu, ka sarkar habang ngile nang tapit jibrangan. Ngi menta, dang don gibrigang ka sarkar hakin inyos nam kale ayu. Hakapor bang isi aja katra dawan ka sarkar, dapat ka merit scholarship. Ban ai ka exam by pamina ka ki lower but upper south hill but sispa adara kabinet isar presto ni ong ladamla ban pengkiu namar bangi nyong ban pengkiu bahaba pendo temantangi ketiu haki sanspa bakin diuspa kalayara ya kena shibna ong scholarship jong ikna dang haka negatai asngi sai jai ngidang pelai ya scholarship jong ikna ka last installment dang bon ke ban kentho balai kata ka sarkar ka kwa burong ban pelai scholarship ro pelong da ka function namar ba kiba bon kita kinong kentho ke banaro harai kemau hadu aja katra maximum scholarship tang 1,000 tam harai daya ka sarkar jongi kabangi kentiu minimum 1,000 plus minus hadu 10,000 tam hala ka jong ka kerdan dan tak daw ngi perkat ya ke mangiran kam ya ki school ngidan kam ya ginahikai ngidan kam ya ginahikai ki babiang katkum ke kedang bangta ngidan kam ki kena ki badukru bakin yo ya ke jingara ngi address ya kine bangidan kam ru ya ki college habarok ki jaka den takadaw hadu aja katra dong tang riu tu li government college apo ka makhalia hadu aja tu prangan ong pi kindon kendai tu li kindon kendai tu babaro ki college ki balok yo jingara bun bahsulong hanrai hakan sekarang MDA kilayo kelek
Namar bamilang play badan botam jalan tiba payang kami yalam tunang yalam yangan ayo yami I don't wanna act too high and mighty cause tomorrow may fall down on my face Lord I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful.
Balayo ya kijingkran bakam kongsan na usumbut menteri rang bak soka jela bak prestun tensong haka baula ai kijingero ya kanik skol khamtam ya kijen ti besan pus nem ke jongka baula ongru bak sokar kamyo atia yo adam ke juperkhat na ke benta ban kentiu ya kepule puthi khamtam e haka wedai bak skol ki badai shenong kendong bak chuchu ula ong
haka ni ka shenong hau ni ulu ubah kentang ubah internet ki khun jong pi ki khun jonga kia di ya ka umpoli ujong ke jingnan ke jingstad ngasngau bangadai ban ai ka burom ka bakrau ya ka ni ka mission ka bamenta ka jisyakri ka long san postnet Saint Peter and Paul. When we go back to the name of Saint Peter and Paul, the name of the school itself is so meaningful. We all know as Christians who is Peter and also who is Paul. Kakerteng jong kanega school. Peter and Paul. Haka Holy Bible. Kalau nggak pakai mensim sibune. Yangi. Kikon kijong play. kajing penyaj ya ka mission bad ha kajing penyaj ru ya kata ka vision ka bakini ki almut ki riu krau ki riu ble kila IT ha ka juk bad ka generation ka jomi Tetang si kentin ar kentin ke bangakwa ban ong ha kaningapor ya ka school management ka sorkar kam thia kam dem ban walk out ya ki policy trekam ha ka bedai bat ka education sector ngakwa ban ya thu ya pi da ka jing trei sitom jomi marumbui kum minister bapet ya kanika tenat kabadon kam hadu kata-kata ka jela ka jemi ilapoi ka final stage ya kabin la sim ya ka policy jong ka rationalization ka ong don ki school ki babon ki nong hikai ban ki kena school ni na ka sorkar ngila sim ya karai ka baskem baya ke bakum kita ngimban si bangi habban ong ya ki baki dai ban kham no kane ka di ka warning ka bangai lepa ya ki bakum kita ki school ki bomla lani ban board at least ia ka minimum requirement kabaka polisi jong ka sorkar India bat ka polisi jong ka state ka jomi ngila ada pentrekam ar hajar katnai ar hajar arpo komalaong minister badon burom jomi ngilapet bah kisnong nong kendong di jomi ki don ki school ki ba perform ha ki ba le ba ang rei teng teng mangi na ka sorkar ngimna ban a di jingarang kan ba ki to ki school ki bom perform ki bom tray bat ki bom ai ka jing sakri ba biang teng teng ki kam yo bun maki ban ya ki school ki ba le si kalong ka jing kerku ya kisnong ya kitao tenaga ta kadao ngin sim ya karai hakini ki khendiat tayo ki banwan bat menta kum kani ka school ke jong biru ngan ai nuksa kade ka way na ki performing school bat pinong ka enrollment nang ta ka pass percentage kababit kababiang hadu kata-kata badya ke bakum kita kasorkar kan lengkat lang bati bat ladang ile ya kata kabamut kan long ke jingkerku ya ki khun ya ki ti ki jomi om tang hasor silong henry kham tam hakin nong kendong ki jomi Ladingin pet ya ki result nakaway kasnem sa kaway pat kasnem piong haka class 12 piong haka matric kibabun ba ki school nanong kendo kibayo haka top 10 ba haka top 20 ipet ha sa ki school hapo kinong kendo namar mengikwa banra ya ka standar kaban ya rengkat habarok kaway kajelang nila jami mensem snem mentau snem ketuk exam ka ba ilek matrik ngatrai ka di kaway nagisnem ka ba bahasibune hadin ba ka sorkar ka sim ban peni ya kituki health book ngatrai baru ang yeti ba kituki health book don pada kibriu kibapen sngotu bakla kibapen kela bakatu ka health book kade ka textbook hanya jakam dei ta Kadai tangka handbook, ka textbook nila don, campus kala penmi. Lagi penmi saka handbook, ngakan mau ngidang kena mensua, hakapor bengile metrik, lening yele, piu ngom, don kabajar nut kami yom. Bani pedon kam hai katu, namar haka textbook teng ka sitom haban puli ban yo kem, ya ka jimut ke jangka. Hakapor bangi penmi kata mana kene mariami ka result matrik uniwarja rausam ki criticize mitu itau chu yu chief minister badan burom nei jangi ki drodur drodar mitu itau chu badang ksen nei don nong hikai ularimba uilam bakla yang ki kebeki pa uang bakadika help book ka babakla ngam ong bagi biang sispa ngi sispa hangrei ka jing sisa kalong ki khon ki ti jong a jong ki pas ba namar baya ka bakim slok thu naka textbook ki pendon kam ya ka helpbook bat kane ka helpbook ngan batai api kadai ka bada screen ba da kembos ndai ba supun mi u a u b u k u d bagin publish kam dai kom ta
Habakut no jong kani ke program layo ikan tien ai kublai na ibabu boys ta nong bri ibadai astan teacher jong ka Saint Peter Anpol Secondary School mau kisiem bat lapan kod da kijing ruai anthem jong ka school.
Here for the grand success of the program. First of all, on behalf of Saint Peter and Paul Secondary School, we have a special thanks to Sir Preston Tensong, the Deputy Chief Minister, who is the chief guest of the program. Thank you, sir, for giving us an encouragement for the school and for the management. Another thanksgiving also goes to Sir Lakman Rambui, who is the State Education Minister of Meghalaya, who present with us as the guest of honor. A regard thanks also goes to Sir Balaji Kuparsandram and Sir Gavin M. Lim, who are the local MLAs, Shila constituency and Sora constituency, who are here with us as a special guest in this occasion. Moreover, a well-wish thanksgiving also goes to Sir Bariko Parsandram, though he is not here with us, and Sir Titus Tarwell Khai, our local MDC of Shela and Sora constituency, as the special invitees. A special thanks also goes to Father Stefan Carbani, who is the parish priest of the Sora parish, though he is not here with us. Thank you, Father, for your support to our school as the president of the school managing committee. A well-wish thanks also goes to Father Henry Warba, our assistant parish priest. Another thanks also goes to Sister Sivita SD, the provincial of the Sister of the Destitute of the Delhi province. A special thanks also goes to Sister Rinat SD, who is the principal of Saint Peter and Paul Secondary School, Maukis Iam. And a sweet thanks also goes to all the priests and nuns who are here with us to warm or greet programs. Another great thanks also goes to the lay church leaders, right from the secretary of the Parish Pastoral Council, our head catechist, the secretary of the sub-district, Maukis Iam, and all the office bearers of the sub-district who support us in whatever we need from the school.
Born in unity. Come and join together. We become one and all. We are children of Saints Peter and Paul. Let us sing aloud wisdom and education. You give everyone